Hey everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to do a rewind plan with me for the month of May in my B6 inserts. These are from Justenia Printables, and I've been using them, for a while, and I always use a My Newest Addiction kit in these inserts. So this is the My Newest Addiction kit for May. I actually also use this kit in my, the proper version of it in my Erin Condren planner because I thought these florals were so pretty, and the gold foil was just stunning on it. Or actually, I think it's rose gold. Just kidding. And then you get these two sheets with the kit also, so you have the foil date numbers as well as this clear foil add-on. And then because I got the kit for both my Erin Condren and my B6, I did pick up this sheet as well. It just has some functional icon type things on it that are really pretty, and I'm not sure how much of this I'm going to use in this spread, but we'll see. So we're just going to get started. I always put the monthly down the side. I don't think I need to white this out. I don't think I ever do, but I'm just going to be on the safe side. And I always leave a little bit of white space between the calendar part and what I'm putting down here. And then the trick is hopefully you get it down straight. So that is gorgeous. And then I put the strips. I'm sorry if you can hear the lawn mowing. I put the strip up at the top. You could put it at the bottom also. I just like to put it at the top and use Simply Gilded Washi at the bottom. And then I put the chunky strip at the bottom because it's gorgeous. And I do need to wipe this out so that I can put a washi there. And I use the bottom line here just so that I can put it somewhere and have it come out straight. So these kits come together super quickly. I don't know what my computer is doing right now. It's kind of freaking me out. But yeah, they come together quickly because I kind of do the same thing every month. And then it's the month spread, like the plans, that takes me a lot longer because the month has already happened, and that means there's even more to mark than my normal, which is usually a lot, especially for May, because it's the end of the school year. So here is the outline of the, the overall spread. And then I typically use my tweezers to put the date covers on. I don't use this June look ahead. And then I will also put all of the holidays on. So I'm going to do that and speed through that because it's not super exciting. I might actually also put the date numbers on just to get those done too. So we'll just speed through this and hopefully you won't have to listen to lawn mowing. Okay, so here is kind of the setup of the spread. So I have Cinco de Mayo, Ramadan begins, Teacher Appreciation Day, Mother's Day, Celebrate because that was graduation. Oh, I should put one on the 16th also, because that was another graduation. Day off because she gave us the day off. My boss gave us the day off on Friday. Day off for Memorial Day and payday. And then I just have the date numbers and, like I said, the kind of outline of the spread. I put the covers above so they don't get lost in the other foil. I think it looks really pretty. All right, let's see. Now, I will probably mark my physical therapy with a variety of little icons. So we have a shoe, and I went on the 1st. That's the first time I had dry needling done, which was crazy. And then I went on the 6th, and I went on the 20th. So those are my PT appointments. I don't know how I'll mark physical therapy. I mean, Pilates. I'll figure it out later. Okay, so let's see. Signing day. Oh my gosh, these things feel so long ago. Like, incredibly long ago. I don't even know how to explain it. So on the 3rd, we had an event called Signing Day, and then I also went to my new school to visit. So I think I'll take this little coffee cup for that. I don't know how I'm going to fit both of these in here. I'll put the box first. Put the coffee cup up here. So that will be my visit to the school, and then this thing called Signing Day. Did we get together for Girls' Day? I don't think we did. Let me look at my weekly. Nope. Okay. Didn't get together that day like we normally do. Game of Thrones was these 3 days, but I don't know how to mark that either. I mean, I have some bows, I guess. I have one TV. Oh, I have more bows on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shoot, I should have used one less bow. I could have used those for, Pilates. Okay, so I have 3 of these floral bows, so we'll use these to mark Game of Thrones. One has the paperclip look, and the other 2 don't, so I'll put the paperclip looking one in the middle. But yeah, that was a fun 3 weeks. Not my favorite season, but it was good. Okay, so Game of Thrones those 3 Sundays. This was Mother's Day, like I said. I also went to Pilates these 3 days. And this was also a date. So I'm going to take a heart. And we'll put that in the corner. Okay, so let's go back in order. Tutoring on, what is this day? The 8th. So I think I'll take a little arrow thing. So tutoring that day, and then we just have Pilates in here. So the 10th and the 13th were college finals. I have a paper clip and a push pin that I think I'll use. Those seem good for marking finals. These are a little big for this spread, but it's okay. I don't have a ton to mark per day. So the 10th and the 13th, college finals. Let's see. Pilates. Okay, so then the 15th was senior finals. Oh my gosh. What to use, what to use. Maybe we'll use this coffee cup with the the clock. I don't think I tutored that day. Oh, I did tutor that day. shoot. Okay, let me see if I can move this up. Because this would have been during the day, and then tutoring would have been in the evening. Oh goodness, now I'm gonna need... So did I not really tutor on the... Oh, I didn't really tutor on the 8th. Okay. I'm like, wait, I did not tutor all of these days. So let's see if I can pull this sticker up and move it. It's clear, so it's going to be a little tricky, but I think I got it. Okay, so I tutored this day, the 22nd. Okay, that's better. Let's see. So community service day and senior finals tutoring. This was one of the graduations we had to go to this year. I think I'll take this one. Wait, yeah, this day. Make sure I put it on the right day. Okay, so that was graduation. This was a field trip. I think I'll take balloons. Actually, I'll take a bow because I didn't go. So I didn't get to have any fun. This was supposed to be our date day, but it got rescheduled for this day, which I've already marked. This was physical therapy, and then this was also a graduation here. This was tutoring, also finals. So many things. So many things. Okay, we're gonna use a bow for finals. We had finals on the 21st and the 22nd. So finals, graduation, finals, tutoring. The 23rd was conferences. So I'll use this one here. That's like an all-day event. And then no school. She gave us the day off on this day. So I'm going to see if I can fit one of these pillows in here. Because I did a lot, but, you know, I still took a really long nap that day. Okay, today is the 25th. Like I said, I don't really have much going on. I did go to Pilates this day. I should see my boyfriend one of these 2 days. I'm not sure. And then I don't really have anything in particular planned. This is another student's graduation, but I don't think I'll be going because he can only bring 4 people. And he has a huge family, so, but I'm still going to mark it because I'm really proud of him. This is payday. Yes. Okay, so I just need to mark in when I see my boyfriend, and I'll probably use this last little box. I always feel bad because I never use these little strips, but what you gonna do, you know? So let me see if I can figure out something to mark Pilates, and then I will also get us something gilded washi to put down here, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back and I've pulled out a few things. So the first thing I pulled out are some scripts because I have a field trip script which can go in here. And then I have the last day of school, which conferences are the 23rd, so that goes in there. Report cards goes on the 22nd, and then I already put day off, so I don't think I'll put no school. Yeah, I don't think I need the rest of those. And then I have these from Plants and Plans, which is no longer a shop, but they're little rose gold dumbbells, so we will put these in. So I didn't go that day. It looks like I went these 3 Sundays. And then, let's see, I went this day, this day, I went like all these weird days this month because of all the school events. I went on my day off. I'm going Monday, Memorial Day. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I have also on the 30th. Okay. So again, those are from Plants and Plans, but she's not a shop. And then I did have these Glam Planner Teeny and Friends that are for Game of Thrones. I don't know if I'm really going to be able to fit these in here, but I might try. So we're going to put little Arya in here. We'll put Miss Sunday. Oh gosh. I don't think I can fit her. Oh, well, no. We'll put her down here. And then Sansa, can we fit you? Okay, we'll just put Sansa up there. Just because I want to use 3 of them. Because, like, I don't know how often I'll use those again. So I want to use as many as I can. So you have Sansa, Arya, and Missandei. Okay. Was that everything? I think that's everything I have to mark. Because, yeah. Oh, I didn't pull out washi. Shoot. All right, you guys, I've added my Simply Gilded washi. I was trying to decide between the peach, the gold inverted. Oh, I forgot this was rose gold. Darn it. I just put gold foil down. I still really like it though. I don't think I have a rose gold one with this color, but I like the green pulling out a little bit of the green in the floral, so I think I'll leave it. Why did I go to my gold drawer? Oh, I know I went because I have the peach. I was just thinking peach. I wasn't thinking about the foil color. Whoops. Okay. Anyways, I think I'm going to leave that because I really, really like the green. Like I said, pulling out the little bits of green that are throughout the spread. Oh, this is so pretty. Let me like do some little foil for you. Look at that May. Oh my gosh, Justinia's writing is so pretty. So yeah, tons of foil. Hopefully the gold doesn't detract from it. I will look at my collection, but I'm pretty sure I don't have any color like that with rose gold bows. But if I do, I'll switch it out. But it will look basically the same. But yeah, this is my spread for May and everything that happened this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see more Plan With Me videos, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. If you would like this video, I would greatly appreciate it, or leave any comments down below. Let me know what you think of the green washi with the peach spread. I think it's really, really pretty. I like green and peach more than I like, you know how they say like blue and orange are complementary colors? I'm not a fan. I like green with peach. I don't like blue with peach as much. Certain tones are okay, but I still generally prefer green. Anyways, I think this is gorgeous. Hopefully you had a great May as well. Mine was super busy. Like I said, this day up here feels like 18 years ago. Like I can't even believe that was still in the month that I'm currently on. But summer break is here soon. This should be my last day of work at the very latest. I might get off earlier this week, which is why I didn't mark it, but it's coming, you guys. My break is coming. All right, I will catch you guys in the next video. I hope you have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.